guys, welcome back to Coop Squishies, and today I'm going to be doing a video of life as a squishy scammer, so let's get into the video. But, just telling you guys that this is a skit, so yeah, it's not real. That's what it means. So, yeah, let's get into the video. I can't believe I have another day of work. And this person already ordered from me 15 times in a row. And yeah, I'm so mad. And I have to give her back her real squishies. But I'm a scammer, so I scam people. So I'm gonna scam them now. Okay, so let's see what she ordered. Let's type it. Okay. Perfect. Almost typed it. Brooklyn. That ordered from me. Okay. So now I have to read the list. Okay. So she seriously wanted a jumbo Hello Kitty. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna give her a replica. Something else. Sorry, not Hello Kitty. A jumbo cat that looks so much like this, but it's way bigger. So yeah, it's way bigger than this. It's definitely way bigger than this. So yeah. And and then it seems like she won't even mind that she gets this because she better not be picky. Because you don't get upset. So I'm just gonna put her in this plastic bag. I don't have a good bag, so I'm just gonna put it in this plastic bag. Here we go. And the next thing she ordered was, what is it called? The next thing she ordered, a jumbo hedgehog. I do not have that, so she can be, as I said in the beginning, don't get upset. And it's a small version, so she'll probably like it. So she said she wanted a really jumbo one because she won't really mind if it's small. And the next thing she ordered was this jumbo, big strawberry. And this one has a huge rip in it. It has so many rips in it. So I think she'll really like that. So the next thing I gave that she ordered was this very, very, very soft squishy. And this is super defected. So I think she won't mind that either. And she ordered it jumbo. And this is one of the jumbo versions. Yeah, it's pretty big for a small version. I think she won't be picky about this one either. And then she ordered this jumbo cake slice, but I do not have that. And it's almost as big. I mean, it's way bigger. But I think she might think this is a jumbo version. She is super squishy. I don't want to give this one away. So I'll just give her something that looks like it, I guess. Okay, so I think she won't mind this very small ice cream because the cake slice has ice cream on it. I mean, right here, the swirl, and a little chocolate chip. So I don't think she'll mind this one. So, and it's super, super clean. Just look at that. So clean. And it also has a huge rip, but I don't think it's super dirty, but like I don't think she'll mind that. And it has a huge rip in it, if you can see that. Yeah, so yeah. And the next one that she ordered was a super jumbo Rising football for one of her kids. I have no idea why she wanted this, but it's way bigger than this, and this one is super hard, so I don't think she'll mind that either. And the next one she ordered was this jumbo one, but this is a small version. It has a rip in it, so yeah, I think she won't mind that either. And this one, like, the paint is stripping off, like, in the nose there's a hole there. So yeah, I don't think she'll mind that either, and it still looks like it's very sticky because it is, because we tried gluing it back and it did not work because it's all sticky and hard and crunchy and very weird feeling. Yeah, I don't think she'll mind that. So that's the squishy, super nice. But I don't want to give her that. So maybe I should give her like this fish. I guess she might think this is an extra, so that's good. Because like, she said she wanted 19, no, she ordered 10 extra squishies. So yeah, and this could be one of her extras if she wants, and I can give her this cow that she did not, this could retake this guy's place because I really like this one and I don't want her having it. So yeah. And this one, it's kind of like the owl. See? Pink. Yeah. So I don't think she'll mind, and it has white eyes, so she would think it was probably this one or extra. So this one's a good one that she can do that one. And then she ordered extras, and that's all she ordered, but she ordered some extras, like surprise extras. So I'm gonna give her this not too so rising little little defected thing that has rips in it, so I don't think she'll mind that. And it's a ice cream thing, yeah. And then she ordered this super duper very cute little ice cream guy that's in a sugar. I think it's called Sugar Bunny. Yeah, Sugar Bunny. It's from Little's Pet Shop. So yeah. Sorry, the lights turned out. That's okay. I'll turn it back on. There. I'm just turning them on right there. No. So yeah, guys. Now the lights are pretty not good, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, so this is a Sugar Bunny, but she did order this. She didn't order this, so I'm just gonna give her something else because I really want to keep this guy. I'm just gonna give her this bad, really hard donut thing. You can see that? Really hard donut guy thing, my bobber. Super duper hard, and it cracks my nails, so I don't want this. So a quick bye. And then this next extra was the second so first, and then this is the second extra, and I don't really like this one, so I'm gonna give it to her because it has a lot of rips in it and stuff like that. That's the second one. And then I'm just going to give her this one because it's super defected and there's a rip in it. So yeah, that's the third extra. And the fourth extra is this Billy the Whale, but it lost its tail. Hey, that rhymes. Billy the Whale that lost its tail. And we tried gluing it back, but it got all crusty. So yeah. that's okay. So I don't think she'll mind either. Yeah. So those are her extras. Wait. She ordered 10, right? Yeah, she ordered 10, so I have to get more. So here's this one that she'll probably be happy with. And then she didn't order this one. This is an extra, that's why I gave it her. And this is the right one that that actually has no defects. So I'm gonna give her one that has no defects. Well, it does. It has a lot of defects. I'm actually not gonna give her the one that has defects, no defects. I'm gonna give her the one that has tons of defects, like rip, 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 rip. So yeah, I think she'll really like this one, and she can hang it on bag like the other ones. See? And then the next one she ordered was, she didn't order this one, but like it came. I'm just gonna give her an extra, and it's super squishy. And then this is the sixth one, and it's super very rippy. And then this is the seventh one. No, that's the wrong one. This is the seventh one. It's super defected, so I think she'll really like that. And it's super like hard. Yeah. So then this one, I really don't like it, so I'll give it to her. And that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the seventh. Super weird feeling. And then the next one that I'm gonna give her is this one. Super hard. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is the ninth one. It's super duper hard. And then the last one is this extra that she didn't want, but like I'm just saying that she might like it because it is very, very, very cute. And yeah, super squishy. Not squishy, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ship this to her. Bye. Please click like and subscribe. And I will be doing another video of this, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So please click like and subscribe.